Hi friends, instead of a math lesson today, we're going to do another math game. Today's math game is called Subtraction Bowling. We're going to use items around our house to play a game of bowling, and each time we knock down pins, we'll write a subtraction sentence. Let's get started. Okay, so today we're playing Subtraction Bowling. Our goal for today is I can write subtraction sentences fluently based on how many pins I knock over. So every time we knock over some pins, we're going to write a subtraction problem, and I'll show you how it's done in just a few moments. Here's what you need. You need some pins. They can be soda cans, plastic cups, water bottles, anything that will knock down. If you have a toy bowling set, great, you're all set up. You also need a bowling ball, so any ball will work. If you don't have a ball, you can even crumple up some paper and try to knock over some pins with that. And writing materials so that you can write those really smart subtraction sentences. Make sure when you are using pins, soda cans, or empty water bottles, make sure they're washed or at least clean, because if you knock them over, something might leak out and make a big mess. I know families would not like that to happen. So just make sure you use some clean materials, friends. Then we have to set up our pins. So you can use as many as you want. A bowling alley has 10 pins down at the other end of the alley. So I set up 1 and then 2 cans and then 3 cans and then 4 cans. But you can really do 6, 4, 3, whatever you have around that you can write subtraction sentences for. Okay? And here's how to play. First, the player rolls the ball down the alley and counts how many pins to knock down, and then writes a subtraction sentence. A subtraction sentence is how many pins you have to start minus or take away how many you knock down, and then how many are left is what is equal. So how many pins to start, take away how many is knocked down equals how many is left. And your subtraction sentences will change as you bowl. So the first player takes a second turn and writes a new subtraction sentence, and then the next player resets the pin and takes 2 turns. And you can just take turns and play as much as you want. All right, you ready? Let's get started and let's play.
Okay, so I've set up my cans. I have 1 in the front, 2 after that, 3 after that, and then 4 after that, and all together I have 10 cans. So now I'm going to come all the way down here. All right, and you can see it down there. I'm going to go ahead and roll and see if I can bowl them over. You ready? All right, let's go see what I knocked down. So it looks like I have 4 knocked down and 6 still up.
Okay, so I had 10 pins set up, and I knocked down 4, and 6 are left. Let's write out a subtraction sentence. You ready? 10 pins to start. Take away the 4 that I knocked down equals 6 left to bowl with.
Okay, so I removed the cans that I knocked down, and I kind of adjusted them so that they're more organized. There are 6 left. So, all right, let's see if I can do this now. Ready? Oh, I did not knock any down. So I have 6 up, 0 were knocked down.
All right, this time I had started with 6 on my second turn, and I didn't knock down any. So 0 knocked down, and I have 6 left. So 6 pins to start. Take away 0 because I didn't knock any down. That leaves 6. 6 take away 0 equals 6.
Okay, so I set them back up. All 10 are set up again. And it's now time for someone else's turn. But since there's nobody with me right now, I'm just going to pretend that I'm the second player. So let me move on back to where I start bowling. All right, let's try to bowl again. Ooh. That time I knocked over 1, and there are 9 still up. So I had 10 pins, 1 got knocked down, 9 are left.
All right, so this is player 2's turn now, and there were 10 pins set up, and he knocked down 1. So 10, take away 1, equals 9 left. 10 take away 1 equals 9.
All right, I removed the 1 pin. I still have 9 standing up down there. Let me try to bowl again. Looks like I got a lot that time. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4 still standing, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 knocked down. So I had 9, I knocked down 5, and 4 are left.
All right, on player 2's second try, he knocked down 5. So he had 9, he knocked down 5, and that left 4. So 9, pins to start, take away 5 equals 4 left. 9 take away 5 equals 4. That's it for me today. Make sure you get permission though before you play this game, because it might be messy or it might make a lot of noise. So make sure you have your parents or family's permission, okay? Have fun playing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.